In this video, we will explain how to install a shock absorber onto the T-type cap balancer, excluding the TT type. The shock absorber is installed after the cap balancer has been mounted onto a manhole or other equipment. This is the shock absorber. In this video, we will refer to this side as the rod side, and this side as the bottom side. Insert it from the rod side. Adjust the protrusion of the shock absorber so that, when fully opened, the rod is concealed inside the shock absorber body, and so that there is no gap between the upper hinge and the stopper surface of the lower hinge. In other words, the upper hinge must be in contact with the stopper when fully opened. Do not operate the opening and closing mechanism if there is a gap and the stopper is not in contact. Doing so may place excessive load on the shock absorber and could cause damage. Once the position of the shock absorber is set, secure it with the lock nut. For the TS type, insert the optional collar before tightening the lock nut. If you are concerned about the mounting holes, please use the optional bolt hole caps. After confirming proper operation, the installation is complete. This concludes the explanation. Thank you for watching.